How to add filters on NanoBanana AI. Want to give your photos a new look with the filters? Let me show you how to add the filters using NanoBanana AI. First and first, open up your browser and search for NanoBanana AI. So this is how your NanoBanana AI website should look like too. Now, once you're inside the homepage, just scroll down until you see AI editor section. You can see AI editor right over here. And there you will see two options, image to image and text to image. From the option, simply tap on image to image. It's right over here. Then scroll down and upload your image from here. Tap on this plus button. Then tap on this and tap on that. By the way, tap the image that you want. I just choose the random photo right over here. Once it's uploaded, tap on the main prompt section. And here, type your instruction in a natural language. For example, we can apply a vintage filter, make it black and white, or add a cinematic tone. Be as specific as you like about this style you want. After writing your prompt, simply tap on Generate Now, which is right over here. Once you write your prompt right over here, the option for the Generate Now will be opened. Then after you tapped on Generate Now, in NanoBanana AI will edit the image and apply the filter. And you can see the result right over here on the output gallery. And that's the process how you can easily add the filters to your image using NanoBanana AI. I didn't show you the whole process because it have limited credit for the free users, but that's the process. And I hope this video helped you too. Lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.